Hey guys, so I have to run some errands today and I thought I'd take you with me, but first I wanted to show you my outfit. So I have on this Champion sweatshirt, like crew neck sweatshirt with some layered gold necklaces. I have my tiny hoops in today. And then for pants, I'm wearing these leather leggings and then just some sneakers. So I have to go to the post office today. I need to go to Ulta and I'm gonna go get a coffee, so I figured I'd take you guys along with me today and then show you what I got at Ulta. So let's go. I just had to turn around because I forgot my wallet, but we are okay now. We're good. I didn't get very far. And I just realized I have to get gas too. So that is right by the post office, so I guess that's where we're headed first. I'm actually hating how my foundation looks these days. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and it's the one that I loved in December, and my skin seriously like switches up so much. And when my skin, this sounds stupid, but when I'm like not broken out and my skin actually looks good, it's like looked the best it's looked since last March. Like that one does not stick to my face, and it just like looks patchy. Like I think it looks really patchy today, so I'm gonna get a new one at Ulta for sure. And last year I was using the L'Oreal new Infallible, like it's like water or something, and it's really good. So I think I might try that one because I'm not needing as much coverage this time since my skin is like being pretty good. It's like I've completely changed my routine 100% from my skincare routine, because after literally like the day after I uploaded that, I feel like my skin, like something wasn't right. Like it freaked out. I had never had pimples like on my cheeks before, and I had them all over my cheeks, all over my chin. My skin was just dry and irritated, and I've completely changed everything about my skincare since then, and it is like improved like 100% almost. So I'll eventually like update you guys on that. I just want to make sure that this is like actually like gonna stay working, and like I'm gonna get a facial and kind of like consult with an esthetician kind of about like my skin before I like share with you what I've like been doing. But so far my skin's been really good, so if you wanted to hear all of that, there you go. It is so cold outside, guys. I want it to be spring. Okay, so I just got gas and went to the post office. So I'm gonna check that off my list today. I'm just so efficient. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna go to Ulta. Here we go. I also need to get shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo I've been using, I don't think I can use like drugstore or like cheap shampoo, because like, anyway, the one I'm using is that Saki OGX one that I talked about in my favorites like back in December, and it literally like smells so good and I love it so much, but my hair is just like brown. Like it's not even turning it brassy, it's just like turning it brown. Like I don't know, because I alternate with like purple shampoo, but I don't even like my purple shampoo either, so like my whole hair situation is just not amazing. So I'm gonna get new shampoo and conditioner. I want to get a new concealer. I want to just get like a cheap one. Okay, so I just pulled up at Ulta, and let me just tell you guys really quick. So I used to work here. I worked here for 3 years, and I'm probably not going to be like chatting it up, like talking in here like to you guys. So I'll show you like a little bit here and there, but just wanted to let you know I don't really want to be doing that. So here we go. Today I'm going to be showing you all of the stuff that I got at Ulta. I went the other day and I was literally out of everything. I was out of shampoo, conditioner, foundation, concealer, you name it, I was out of it. So I have a pretty big haul for you here today. So I figured we could just go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so I'll start with makeup, and some of this stuff I've already used because I went a few days ago, so some of it might look used, that's why. The first thing I picked up is this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and I wore this all spring and summer last year, and I absolutely loved it. It's one of those things where I just kind of ran out of it and I forgot about it, so I picked this up again and I'm wearing it today. And it's so good. It looks good. It's lightweight. It's medium coverage. You can build it up to full coverage. So this is the first thing I picked up in the shade 480, which is like absolutely perfect for my face right now. I am a little bit more on the tan side. In the summer, I definitely am going to have to get a darker shade than this. But for right now, this is perfect. So this is the first thing I got. So going along with the foundation, I also got a concealer. This one is by Morphe. It's the Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer, and I got shade C2.25, and it's a soft matte concealer. So I actually have used this too. You can see it's just a tinge lighter than my face, which I didn't want anything too light because I feel like my Shape Tape right now is way too light. So I thought this would be nice to kind of balance that out. And I've also used this concealer in the past. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's flawless. Like, it looks so good. So I'm really happy that I remembered about this because I've been needing a new concealer. I also picked up a sponge from Morphe. I had to use it because mine was like disgusting and like cut in half, but it's just their Flawless Beauty Sponge. It's my favorite sponge. I like how it has like the flat edge. So I picked up one of these as well. And then while we're talking about Morphe, I also got their Continuous Setting Mist. I've used this in the past as well. Love it. I was using the Urban Decay All Nighter. I kind of switched back and forth between them, and that one was leaving like dots of liquid on my face, and it was like making my makeup come off. So I switched back to the mist. This one is it dries me out. So does the other one, the Urban Decay, but it works. And so when I need like long-lasting makeup, I go ahead and use this. It's very, very good. So, and then the last makeup item I purchased is this lip kit by Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm actually wearing it right now. I bought this off of a recommendation. I had actually looked at this in the store probably like 5 times, and I'm always like, oh, no, it's too brown. Like, I don't think it's gonna work for me. But Julia Havens, she's here on YouTube and on Instagram, she was posting about this, and so we kind of have a similar skin tone, so it looked beautiful on her, so I thought I would just go ahead and try it, and I love it. It looks so good. I forgot how much I like her formula, but it just has the liner and the lipstick, and I am wearing it right now, the liner and the lipstick, but I will swatch a little bit on my hand so you can see what it looks like on my skin. So it's just like a beautiful nude. It's more of like a true nude instead of like a pinky nude, which I usually go for, but I think it's so beautiful. It's so comfortable, so I'm really glad that I gave this a try, and thank you to Julia for the recommendation. Alright, so I have a few skincare products and then some hair stuff and then a fragrance. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to skincare. And while we're talking about Kylie, I actually picked up the Kylie Skin eye cream. I have heard such good reviews about this eye cream, and I have used it for about 3 days, and I really like it so far. It doesn't irritate my under eye. I have a very sensitive under eye because I have eczema, and so this one's very hydrating. It's very calming, and I was using the Ole Henriksen one, but I just ran out, and I have no Sephora near me. So I thought I'd give this one a try, and it was only $20. So I'll keep you updated, but so far I really like it. I'll show you what the tube looks like. It just comes in a little squeezy tube. That's one thing I didn't like about the Ole Henriksen is that it came in the jar. And I don't know, like when it comes to my eyes, they're so sensitive that I don't want to get any like bacteria around them that I don't have to. So I really like that this has like the squeezy top, and I don't use the massager just because I'm not into it. So I just squeeze it out on my finger and put it on, but I've really been liking it. So, and then next for skincare, I got this Lancome Rose Jelly Mask. I had a little travel size of this last summer and I really liked it. I am such a dry person, just all around. My skin, my hair, everything about me is dry. So this is really nice to sleep in. It's very soothing, and I really think it like improved the texture of my skin back then. My skin like has been horrible ever since last March, just up until like the past 2 weeks. And so I was like, what was I using last March that like would have made my skin look so good? And this was one of the things that I was using. So I thought I would pick this up in a full size, and it's so good. So I highly recommend this. It's only like $35, which the travel size lasted me like a very long time, so this one will probably last a long time too. The next skincare item, this is honestly stupid, but whatever. This Mario Badescu facial spray. I used to be obsessed with this, but I don't know, sometimes you just like see things and you like remember like, oh, like nostalgia, like I was obsessed with this, maybe I'll try it again. So I just picked one up. It was like $5. I don't know if it does anything beneficial for me, but I like the smell and I just kind of mist it on my face before bed. Whatever. Like, it's not anything crazy. It's just rose water. So I picked this up. Thought I'd give it another try. So got that. I feel like my stuff has like a color scheme. Like all of it's like pink and pretty, and I love it. So next up I got shampoo and conditioner, and I chose this time the Wella brand, and I got the Blonde Recharge and Vigo purple shampoo. I've used this before and I really like that it mostly turns my hair white instead of purple. I hate when I wash my hair and like I can see like purple streaks, and that's so annoying to me. So this one I remember was more of like a white blonde tone when I was done with it rather than purple. So I picked this up, and I've never used the conditioner before, but they were on sale, so I thought I'd give it a try. And be careful when you're buying these if you choose to try them out, because there's a cool blonde and a warm blonde, and I always go for the cool blonde. So if you have more of like a caramely hair tone, then maybe try the warm, but if your hair tone is more like mine or even like lighter than mine, I would definitely go for the cool. Lastly, for hair, like I said, my hair is so insanely dry, and so I got this OGX Nourishing Coconut Oil Weightless Hydrating Oil Mist, and it smells amazing. Coconut is like my favorite scent, so I just thought I'd give this a try. It was like $7, and I've only used it one time and it was fine, so I'm sure like it's fine. I try to only put it on the ends because it is an oil, so I don't want my hair to be like oily, but I'll let you know how I'm liking this in a couple of weeks. So, and the last thing I got was actually a gift for Brad. I got him a cologne for Valentine's Day, and he's already opened it up, so I just thought I'd show you which one I got him. I got him the YSL Cologne, and it smells so good. It lasts forever, so he'll like put it on in the morning, and then like in the evening, if we're just like watching a movie or like laying on the couch, I'll like smell him, and it still smells so good. It's just like a nice fresh scent, but it has a tiny bit of musk. It's just like what you want your man to smell like. It smells so good. So I picked this up for him for Valentine's Day, so I thought I'd share that with you. Alright guys, so that is it for my Ulta haul. I hope you liked this video, and if you do like these haul type of videos where I kind of take you along with me shopping and then show you what I got a little bit later on, let me know. I'd be happy to do more of these. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!